Why is moderator doing like this?
Moderator, please don't mute anybody here, please.
Why is doing like this, moderator? That is garbage.
Moderator, do not mute anybody here. Go on.
Papariano, let us reason it. Let us reason it, okay? They asked Baba, have you seen the result to the autopsy? He said, no, I will wait till they read it at the court. They said within 6 weeks, they will come out and give you the result of this autopsy. But now they are hiding this from the face of the public.
They said wait for inquest. They said wait for inquest. They didn't tell you that.
They said wait for inquest.
At least,
yes, at least they should have made something more. I mean, they should have.
For who? Do it for who? For Wumi? Or for who?
Not for Wumi now, for everybody now. Now listen.
For
now,
which people?
Pathology.
Wait
now.
But I don't know where you're coming from.
I beg, no, they laugh on something. Maybe say if you want reason.
Because you make me laugh. I'm sorry, you make me laugh sometimes.
Wait. If this girl rejects the same pathologies that are taking a whole long of time like this, and say no, I don't want the same pathologies. We can do it at UCH, but this man is not going to be involved. Does it make sense? At least
yes,
listen, Abati. UCH has arrays of professionals at UCH. Okay? If you agree to do it UCH, your letter of whatever you want to do is to the chief medical director of UCH. And that can be, assigned to anyone, any other person. So let us agree UCH first. If you have a problem with the pathologist, that's fine. Remove him. That's not the problem.
Mm-hmm.
So many people do UCH now.
Abati. He has already agreed to UCH.
I'm even
question,
please.
Let me ask Pythagoras a question. Stop the hold on. Can I quickly ask Pythagoras a question?
The reason why Baba had to reject that lagoon was just because of money. He accepted, but
come on.
It's because of money. It's there in the correspondence, the letter.
They can for whatever reason they can. Okay, let Wumi pay the money. Let Wumi supply the money. If Wumi
Baba said he's going to be responsible for the
No. In the agreement, in the terms of settlement, Baba
must pay.
Guaranteed that he's going to fit the bill.
So why did
he accepted? He rejected.
That is cheap.
Top movie. Your voice, your phone has spoiled. Tell me replace your phone now. This is you do your speaker.
Please, Papariano, let me ask Pythagoras my question, please. Sorry.
Is the best speaker.
Pythagoras,
can you hear me now?
Pythagoras, are you there?
Can you hear me now?
We can hear you. Oh yeah, the sniper. Oh yeah, go on top movie. Let's hear you. Go on.
Okay, what I'm saying, the basic reason why Baba had to reject that Laguna hospital
is because of... enter here now.
Leave him now.
Chairman, wait now. Because of his hello, yeah, cool. So I'm saying, the reason why Baba is just refusing to accept the Laguna hospital because he doesn't want to pay.
Where do we find that? Where do we find that? Where do we find that?
How do you know that?
Wait. Sniper.
We have $26,000.
Sniper, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, I believe you have the CTC.
Mm-hmm.
Is there?
Do you have the exchange of letter between the Baba's lawyer and Wumi's lawyer?
No, I don't know. No.
Do you have it? Do you have it?
Okay, go to the Lilibet. You will see that exchange there. I don't know. Someone said
is it reference in the citizen?
It is
Papariano. This is response from both lawyers. This is response from both lawyers.
No. We're not going to
an exchange of Papariano. Wait now. There is an exchange. Papariano, wait. There is an exchange of letter between Baba's lawyer. Wait now, Chairman, calm down.
We're not going to agree to that until our
wait
lawyer.
Now, no worry. If you want me to play, I will play you an evidence where you will hear the how the letter was being exchanged. Initially, Baba had to propose 2 hospitals. Normally,
do you have the voice of the two?
Wait now.
No, I said, do you have the voice as an evidence? Do you have the voice as an evidence? We need that evidence.
I will play it for you now.
Okay, please play it for us first. Please play it first so that we can reason alongside with you.
Just give me like 1 minute.
All right. Please be muted. Let's move on while he brings the evidence.
Yeah. All right. Before you ask Pythagoras my question, please.
Stop moving. Before you bring your evidence, we still have $26,000. Money cannot be the problem for DNA.
Abi,
get that one right. Get that fact right.
Just this up movie first. Oh yeah, the sniper asked your question.
Yeah, Mr. Pythagoras. would you agree with me that it is possible that Wunmi does not want to use UCH because she might not have the influence to compromise that result?
Okay, that's a nice question, the sniper. I'll read for you. Further to that, and for the purpose of progressing, we are conceding to your objection. That's Wumi's lawyer responding to Baba Mohbad's objection now for Lagoon Hospital and that they should continue using UCH. You can find that letter. I know you know where to find it. They are now proposing another 2 hospitals, which is the Echo Hospital and Reddington Hospital, both in Lagos, that Aloba and his lawyer should now provide to tell them when they are ready and submit the boy for sample taking. Meaning,
who proposed the 2 hospitals?
was ready.
Who proposed the 2 hospitals, the new 2 hospitals?
Among me, because Baba said no to Lagoon. Baba insisted no to Lagoon, that Lagoon has some bad media and all that. It's there in the letter.
Okay.
Then that's okay, that's fine. We agree
Is it
to
money
that.
or bad? Top of it says because of money. Did you see money there?
No, they raised both.
Papariano, there's no
the
money
first
issue.
one, hold on. The first one, Baba insisted, hold on, Chairman.
Okay,
The first one, Joseph Aloba's counsel insisted that among me and our counsel, we have to pay for Lagoon. They now directed the attention back to what the agreement was. That even Joseph Aloba himself said that I am ready to take care of the bill.
Yes, so Baba didn't complain for money, right?
He initially told them to go and do it themselves if they want to.
No. Did Baba complain for money? Did he say the reason why he's not using
complaining for money? That's complaining for money.
Please wait. No, please wait. Did Baba specifically state anywhere that the reason why he's not choosing Lagoon is because of the money? Did he say so?
Hold on, I will read it for you. He said so. And I want to read it for you.
Read it, please.
Papariano, please, before you start reading, can I ask another question?
Wait, now that will take us somewhere else. Now, wait, now he has
No,
to be fine.
regarding what he
That will
wants
take
to
us
read.
somewhere else. To take us somewhere else. Let's be killing those evidence one by one. So I will not compact everything together.
Yeah, it's regarding what he wants to read. It's regarding what he wants to read.
All right, go on.
All right, okay, Mr. Pythagoras, the correspondent that you're talking about, yeah, I have it. But I didn't know this is what you're talking about. Now, when you're saying they were exchanging, from what I see here, this is just one-sided. It's not like a back and forth stuff. This is
Which one? That means you don't have the right. You don't have the right one. There was a
hold on, I've got the one that has Salawu, Akingbolu, and
That
Was there acknowledged stamp by the other party?
Hold on,
Chairman, ṣé yóò mọ sorry, Chairman, ṣé yóò mọ àwọn tí ọ̀dọ́ yìí ni àwọn illicit tàbí kí ló orúkọ wọn.
Abati, you dey try to work on this thing.
Hold on, let me and Sniper just engage on this now.
Exactly. I think
Let's not
bring your own points. That's what we want, point by point.
Sniper, let's not go further. You are reading the wrong one. The one you are reading was from yesterday.
Okay.
When all communication has broken, that one was required yesterday just to get the public aware of things.
Okay.
But the correspondence I'm asking you to go and read is about 8 or 9 pages. Oh, no, sorry, 12 pages. You will see the back and forth there. It's about 12
can this thing be distributed to the public? Can we have it?
Yeah, go to Lawyer of TikTok, go to Instagram.
You are the lawyer of TikTok now. Which one we go to lawyer of TikTok?
Go to that page, I mean. I said go to
that is your page now. That's your page now.
It is not this page here. People can click on this page, they won't find it there.
I know, but that is your page. Just say go to my page, lawyer of TikTok.
Go to Pythagoras.
No, you won't find it under Pythagoras. That's what I'm explaining.
Under lawyer of TikTok, go to my page, which is lawyer of TikTok.
Lawyer of TikTok, that's the handle.
Lawyer of TikTok.
Which is also you. Which also belongs to you.
Let's forget whether it's lawyer of TikTok. So it is there, Abi.
It is there. Everything is there. Signed.
This guy they come marketing page. Emma was depressed.
Go to Pro Kingdom on Instagram. Go to Pro Kingdom on Instagram.
Emma lost anywhere. No go anywhere.
That's hammer. I'm not Pythagoras.
It was safe.
Pythagoras over views.
Pythagoras.
No, I don't need that.
Pythagoras is looking for views. I'm not going.
Just put the hammer on it.
This you are not
Top movie don't get now.
information. I just follow you.
Wait.
Don't bring evidence. I wanna wait now. Top movie don't bring evidence now. Yeah, go on top movie, please.
Wait, let me talk to Pythagoras. I want to believe you have that particular letter from the lawyer, the third one.
You say you get audio now. Should be now audio. You say you get now.
Wait. Let me engage him first.
Yes.
You have it.
Yes.
Yeah, can you read it? Just read it out.
Okay. The one from Youth Center.
Papa's lawyer. After the one that Wumi's lawyer wrote in response to the 2 hospitals that he suggested.
Okay. So you say
she suggested, not he.
Dated 25th.
Yeah, she suggested.
Who? Okay.
He. I'm talking about Baba MOHBAD, not she.
No. According to
I said the third letter. Wait, now Richie, you are getting it wrong. I said the third letter that Wumi wrote in the correspondence of the exchange of letters, replying Baba MOHBAD's suggestion of the 2 hospitals for the DNA.
Okay.
You understand what I'm talking about?
The one of maybe, the maybe one now. That if they accept to the UCH.
Wait, now, Papariano, wait. Pythagoras, read it out, please.
Okay, so he's saying we continue to act as solicitor to Mr. Joseph Aloba, the applicant of the above.
Date of the letter.
Yeah, the date of the letter is 25th of November, 2024. And he's saying our client does not object to a third DNA test at the Lagoon Hospital. If your client chooses Albert, your client will have to undertake to bear the cost of the test.
Can you hear that, Papa?
Go on, then what? Read it down, go on.
Okay.
Wait, let's wait first. Wait, Papa.
No, just go. Just wait now. Wait. Read it
now.
on. Read it on.
Wait
read
now.
It on. No. Read it on. Read it on. Read it on.
Wait, if you read it now, wait now. You calm down. You wait first. Let's establish something here. Now, the objection is about money. Who is going to fund that deal?
I don't
Funding has to do with capital, has to do with finance.
That is not.
That is the problem.
That is not the case.
It's the money.
Pythagoras, can you read it down? Let's see.
That is the case. What is the objection?
Pythagoras, read it down.
Okay.
Read it down.
So it's now saying this is precedent on a cursory look at the paragraph 5A of the consent judgment, and the paragraph 5A of the consent judgment reads that the respondent hereby consents.
It's supposed to be paragraph 5B, not A. 5B. A is talking about something else.
No, they are referencing 5A. Yeah, you can go to 5.
Go on. Anyway, go on. If it's about the payment, it's supposed to be in B, not A. I'm just telling you.
Let's go on.
Go on.
No, what they are trying to bring out here is that we are only going to do at 2 hospitals. This is what the court wants us to do. If you want to do the third one, go and pay for it yourself. That is what they are trying to establish here.
Okay, they were trying to say not because they could not pay for it, but they feel like if it was an extra one, which they want to.
Yes, because the court said 2. Pay for 2.
That is what they are trying to establish.
But
it makes sense now, Pythagoras.
It's not wanting to pay because it's expensive.
Papariano, see, this is what you should understand.
It's not about what I understand. It is clear.
Papariano, wait. Okay, let's work with the agreement. Let's work with the agreement, okay? Paragraph 1. 2 hospitals is what the court has agreed that.
Read it. 5A. Read 5A.
Is with what's it called? The agreement is with what's it called?
The sniper. Read 5A for us.
Read it out.
Read 5A. Make top movie interpreter for us. Read 5A.
1 second. Okay. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, sure, we can hear you.
All right. That the respondent hereby consent to submit herself and her son, Master Liam Aloba, for the conduct of a DNA at 2 recognized and accredited government or private medical facility within Lagos State or other agreeable hospital outside Lagos State.
Stop moving. What's the between or and? Now go on. Explain that
now,
part.
all means addition. And sorry, and
Wait
mean
now,
addition.
Chairman, don't come in. Chairman, don't come in.
Wait,
Chairman,
wait
don't
now,
come
Papariano. You should
Chairman,
understand that when they say and, you're talking about addition. That means it's going to attribute like maybe more than two hospitals. But when he's saying or it's just like bringing a suggested alternative. It's like a substitution. It's either you do the previous or you do one. You have to choose.
It means either of them can be done. It is either 2 hospitals in Lagos or 1 outside Lagos, right? But agree upon.
But what you understand there, they are emphasizing on 2 hospitals
just
for the DNA to be carried out.
Tomovi, let me engage you before I come down to Pythagoras. Tomovi, when they say 2 hospitals in Lagos, both Wunmi and Baba Mohbad can choose any of the 2 hospitals, right? As long as it's mutually agreed upon, anybody has the right to suggest any hospital in Lagos.
For the fact that there are 2 parties involved, each party is entitled to 1 hospital of their choice.
Please wait. The agreement says each party must suggest 1 hospital.
The agreement never state anything that one person must provide the 2 hospitals.
Let's say if 1 person, Baba Mohbad can suggest 2 hospitals. Wunmi can suggest 2 hospitals. Then among between them, elimination. Just wait now. At the end of the day, they want 2, right? They will do the elimination by themselves, or they can go for 1-1. They can go for 1-1.
1-1, exactly.
Exactly. So now they both can go for 1-1. So it is either they do it at 2 hospitals in Lagos State without doing it elsewhere, or they do elsewhere without Lagos State, right?
Exactly.
So Baba Mohbad now don't want to do in Lagos State, and Baba choose Ibadan. Why is Wunmi delaying?
This is what Baba did. See, the confusion came from Baba. This is the confusion. Wait. This is the condition. Why I will tell you that the confusion came from Baba. If you read their response, you see where they were saying, and they were making it like a fact that
where is the response? Where can we find it? Where's the response?
That's this thing. What they call it?
Let me continue, Pythagoras. You said you have it.
Papariano, that same letter that Pythagoras just read now, it was there. Baba's lawyer was referring to Wunmi's suggestion of the hospital as third hospital, which is wrong.
No, but they don't need 3rd hospital. They have to remember them is 2 hospitals. We don't need 3rd. If you have to go
then will Baba lawyer refer to the hospital that Wunmi suggested as 3rd hospital?
He's just telling them that. No, he's telling them that if you guys want to do for another 3rd hospital, then you guys have to pay for it as long as we know
what Wunmi offered was a 2nd hospital. That was what she offered.
Wunmi suggested in overall, how many hospitals Wunmi suggested?
She suggested 1 as the 2nd hospital after St. Nicholas. You understand? Baba offered 2 options initially as his own suggestion for the hospital to be carried out for the to carry out the DNA. Baba suggested, wait now, Chama, you calm down, Joe.
Baba suggested 2.
Calm down.
Wunmi suggested
Baba suggested 2. St. Nicholas
inside Lagos.
Can I say
Abati, they both suggest 2, right?
They both suggested 2.
No. Listen to how this thing went, Papariano.
Top movie, listen to Abati now. Top movie, listen to Abati. Abati is telling the both.
Wait, I will come. Wait first.
Top movie,
maybe he has wait, Papariano. This is what I'm saying.
Listen to Abati.
The first letter.
Listen to Abati, please.
First letter. Wait. The first letter that Baba Mohbad lawyer put out, was suggesting 2 hospitals, St. Nicholas and UCH, the one at what they call it, Ibadan. All right. Wunmi lawyer replied, saying, we are not even objecting your whatever decision based on, you don't want any kind of argument on it, but we are suggesting the 2nd hospital after St. Nicholas.
Tomovi, you are missing this thing. Tomovi, you are missing this thing.
They were suggesting another hospital, which is Lagoon Hospital, after St. Nicholas.
Let me explain what the
Alaba is obliged to only pay for 2 hospitals.
Chairman, wait. Let me explain to him.
And the 2 hospitals should be St. Nicholas and Lagoon Hospital.
Calm down. Okay, you see that place that Pythagoras read? Baba Mohbad is very, very right. It's 1000% right. Baba Mohbad, the 5B, paragraph 5B of that agreement says that the applicant is to take the burden of the procedure. That is, they are to pay for the procedure, right? Now, Baba Mohbad has chosen 2 hospitals, St. Nicholas and UCH Ibadan, which Baba Mohbad is ready to to go on.
Mutually agreed.
Just wait. No problem. Okay. UCH and St. Nicholas, Baba chose this two. So Wumi now, who is more ready, like you guys claim, why is Wumi not agreeing to these two hospitals?
Hold on, let me now jump in there, Papariano.
The reason why Baba Mohbad said that Wumi, if you want to do that one that you bring in Lagoon, you will have to pay for it. Baba is expecting Wumi to agree with these two.
Hold on.
Okay. Baba is right. Thinking that Wumi want to have another third hospital after these two is already suggested by him. You misunderstand Baba Mohbad because you don't have the spirit of God.
Papariano,
No. See, Baba Mohbad was absolutely wrong in that particular aspect.
I think the best thing. Let me jump in. Papariano, I think you should have this information so that it won't be me just reading it out to you.
Exactly.
So the next line of communication between them, the lawyers now, the Baba Mohbad lawyers, they now wrote to Omomi's lawyer that our client has agreed to your selection of a third independent DNA test. However, we object to the proposed Lagoon Hospital Ikeja. Your client,
who wrote that? Baba Mohbad, right? That's Baba Mohbad, right?
Yeah, this is Baba Mohbad lawyer talking that you have chosen. Due to the surrounding controversies with the DNA test of Liam Aloba attributed to the hospital on social media and doubt its integrity. So they are doubting the integrity of Lagoon Hospital.
Because of the controversy, not because of money, because they made it clear.
Hold on.
They made it clear because of controversy.
Yes, they now say you will agree with us that the effectiveness of this test is of utmost transparency, which is fine. Now say consequent on the above, we kindly suggest your client propose a different and neutral hospital as a third option for the DNA test along the earlier proposed hospitals, that is St. Nicholas and UCH. So that letter, that one ends there. I will now read you the response of Omomi's lawyer to that letter. Okay. Hold on, I'm bringing it out. This one was on the 5th of December.
Yeah, Baba
so the next one is on the 11th of December.
Come here now, Papariano, share this live to them now.
Yeah, man, you are part of them.
Baba fans kò ní dá fún yín o. Tó bá yá ma ní kí mo hate baba yín.
Abati mo ma beg ja o. Abati mo ma beg ja o.
I go start for na Baba Mohbad mo ń bọ̀ máa ṣe show fún tí ma di parí ilé mo ń bọ̀.
Chairman, your Baba's team now. You can
Baba
represent
Mohbad
them.
fans kò ní dá fún yín o. Mo ń bọ̀.
Papariano, can you please help me address Abati and who is calling me Baba's lawyer, Baba's team?
Oboyo ma love ma worry, o tin disturb, ma worry.
Hold on. Okay, let me read.
We are trying to work here. Go back to Polo.
Let me read the next response to you now, which was dated 11th of December. So, we are in receipt of your letter dated 5th of December 2024, but received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, and we respond accordingly as follows. It will be recalled that the Honorable Magistrate mentioned it to the hearing of the parties at the last proceeding in this matter. And in fact, the court objected at the instance of your client mentioning a prepaid DNA bill somewhere else. That being the case, we have every good and substantial reason to infer that such payment must have been made to the doctor from UCH Ibadan, to which the court observed will be seen like walking to an answer and may raise doubt in the mind of the public. As a result of this, we object to your choice of UCH, especially that it will go against what the court advised. Further to that, for the purpose of progressing, we concede to your objection of Lagoon Hospital for reasons which you have raised, and more so that we have nothing to hide. In replacement, however, we are proposing two hospitals, the Eko Hospital and Reddington Hospital, both in Lagos, Nigeria. Please know that your client will have to bear the cost, and kindly do well to communicate your readiness and time for us to present the subject child in order to move forward.
Good. Can I respond to this letter?
No, I've been respond. No, hold on. Has Baba team responded to that?
Yes, hold on. You won't let me read that to you. This one was dated 9th. So Baba's response. Okay, yes, I have the response here.
Okay.
So they are now saying we remain solicitor.
Date, please. Date.
The date of this is 9th. 9th of January.
About 9 days ago.
2025.
Yes.
But they were no longer solicitor now. They were no longer there now. But
no. This one is still Miss lawyer. This one is still among Miss lawyer because from that point.
Want response from Baba Mohbad lawyer to the previous.
No, from that point they refused to respond.
That's what we are asking now.
So there's no response.
So there's no response.
So the last correspondence.
No, there's now another letter sent to them.
No, that one is not about the case. It's not about the case. They're not responding to the case.
No, it's still about the case. It's still on this issue.
Listen to that one. Listen to that one first.
Stop moving. Just wait. Let's engage that person. Go on, Pythagoras.
We remain the solicitor.
Chairman, wait. Go on, Pythagoras.
We remain the solicitor of the respondents in this reference suit. It will be recalled that we have exchanged series of letters on the above, but we seem not to be making any progress. And it is sad. Suffice to say that after we have duly responded to your letter dated 5th of December 2024, which we received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, we have patiently waited for your response, but nothing of sort till date. Although we objected to your choice of UCH Ibadan because of the fact that the court itself observed for good reasons that it is not proper after your client mentioned same in open court. In the same vein, we have considered all the same to your objection of us using Lagoon Hospital, even though no tenable reasons were given. Quite reasonably, in replacement, we chose 2 other hospitals, which are the Echo Hospital and Reddington Hospital, just so for us to show that we absolutely have nothing to.
Who is it? Is it Baba Mohbad or Akingbolu?
This is Wumi's lawyer writing to Baba Mohbad.
I want the response now. Go to the response.
This lawyer has written back to back.
Your lawyer is reading back to back. Go to the response of Baba Mohbad to the previous one that you read in December. That's what we want.
They are yet to respond. That's what I'm
saying. That's what I'm talking about. Then forget it. Then let's proceed.
But this lawyer has now written on that again that we are waiting.
He has written a reminder. Say, okay.
Thank you very much.
A reminder that
leave that matter now.
Leave that one. We are talking about response from Baba Mohbad.
So Baba has not responded to the one dated 9th of December, right?
No, 24 December.
Not responded up to date, and that is what has
brought 24 December, and then remanded 9th of September, 9th of January.
9th of January.
Yeah, 9th of
Baba has not responded because there is no legal team in place. Relax.
No, there was no legal team in place in 9th of December.
No, a letter was written.
There was not.
There was no legal team in 24th of December.
No, not 24th. 9th of December, not 24th. 9th of December.
There was no legal team.
There was no legal team.
We don't drag them since November now. We don't drag them.
Okay. Now let me remind you that whether there was a legal team or not, Baba Mohbad is as equally tied to this, even if he has nobody representing him. Whatever agreement has been made in court was made with Baba Mohbad and his legal team, and is responsible, is liable.
You need legal advices to proceed, right?
That is his own prerogative.
There was no timeline from the court.
But exactly, but he need legal advice. So let's wait for his legal advice.
So don't let us rush this matter.
As simple as ABC.
Don't let us rush it.
If you don't have something to hide, you're not going to be,
Exactly.
He's the one delaying.
We need to stall this matter, running from February last year to connect.
Baba Mohbad is the one delaying. Papariano is
hold on. Abati, hold on.
The writ of someone was posted.
The written of someone, she was also running for months.
Was running for
running. Where is she running to? Fiamma. Where did she run to? Where did she run to?
She was no longer at the location.
There has been issues. Let us forget. So Baba has issues, and he has made it clear that he has issues with the legal team. He has issues with the legal. Let's give him that month. It's not yet 2 months. It's not yet 1 month.
Pythagoras, wait, Pythagoras, wait.
Gbọ́mọ yẹn wá wọ́n wá keep ọmọ yẹn for some days kí o tó gbé lọ sí tó mú lọ sí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ kó tó mú lọ sí DNA bro.
Let's
Pythagoras finish.
Let's give him time. He will respond and it will be done.
Go on this number. This number go on. This number go on.
We heard that from that statement yesterday, but that's not.
This number go on.
Yeah, please let Pythagoras finish. Yeah, please let Pythagoras finish. He's reading something. Let him finish.
No, just read a reminder.
Obviously, they didn't want to hear that. Obviously, they didn't want to hear that.
Oh yeah, I did it. No, Pythagoras, go on. Finish it.
No, you are not being fair. Let him read
Pythagoras,
everything.
finish it. Go on. Finish it.
Okay. I don't know where I stopped, but
Start from the beginning.
You can start again now. No problem. You can start again.
Why would they run for waiting? Now we get picking. Look on.
we remain solicitors to the respondents. It will be recalled that we have exchanged series of letters on the above, but we seem not to be making any progress, and it is sad. Suffice to say that after we have duly responded to your letter dated 5th of December 2024, which we received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, we have patiently waited for your response, but nothing of sort till date. Although we objected to your choice of UCH...
Moderators, I am here. Don't bring anybody up. Don't bring anybody down. Don't mute anybody. You mute anybody, I'm going to take your moderator off you. Okay, this is the last time. I'm here, I'm coordinating. Do not bring anybody up. Do not mute anybody. Go on, sir.
Okay. Although we objected to your choice of UCH Ibadan because of the fact that court itself observed for good reason that it is not proper for your client to mention same in the open court. In the same vein, we have considered all the same to your objection of us using Lagoon hospitals, even though no tenable reasons were given. Quite reasonably, in replacement, we chose 2 other hospitals, which are the Echo Hospital and Reddington Hospitals, just so for us to show that we absolutely have nothing to hide. And this was contained in our letter dated 11th of December 2024. To our utter surprise, however, instead of you responding to our letter of the above quoted date, we saw Mr. Taiwo Dumosu of Counsel, who we have profound respect for, and counsel to the applicant, saying on social media that we are the ones who are not ready for the DNA, whereas that is not the case. And we are by this letter denouncing any such misrepresentation Mr. Taiwo Dumosu of Counsel must have tainted us with on social media. As a matter of fact, we deserve apology for the unhealthy allegations. Also, our most unfortunate is the fact that we saw the applicant, that is Joseph Aloba, on social media about 3 weeks ago, defaming and maligning Master Liam, and quite in his usual manner, portraying him as a bastard. And this is very unacceptable, especially as the court had asked him to go conduct the DNA that is now obviously and quite surprisingly running away from in an irreconcilable irony. Very laughable. We want to ask you to promptly take steps or advise your client to do so, to do all that may be necessary to ensure the timely conduct of the DNA so that we can make progress. If your client, however, choose to continue in this tardy manner and rather prefer the empty social media hype for the bad reasons, you will leave us no other option than to conduct the DNA ourselves and publish same for the whole world to see. We shall inform the court of our position in this regard. We anticipate your cooperation and positive response, and do accept our assurances of our best regards. Many thanks.
Yeah, can you also read the response? Can you read the response?
Okay.
Because they responded to this.
Okay.
Yes, they did. They did, actually, so hold on.
I read the response that they didn't defame Wumi and others, uncle.
So, The subject matter, the response now came on 11th of January. Your letter dated 9th of January 2025 with the above caption has been shown to our Mr. Taiwo Odumosu, and upon his instruction, we respond as follows. Mr. Odumosu wishes to inform you that there was no time during his social media interaction that he mentioned your client was not ready for the DNA. He denied that. Good. What he was saying, which has been misinterpreted.
This is Baba Lawyer Odumosu. Go on.
Yes. Was that the hospitals had yet to respond to inquiries on their readiness to conduct the DNA test after 3 months. We had your client express sentiment in the respect that the media, in the respect after the media interaction. Mr. Odumosu has absolute respect for your office and your client. He would not in any way derogate the professionalism and maturity both law firms have exhibited so far while the case lasted. This response is necessary as a courtesy to your good self and to set the record straight, as our chambers no longer represent the applicant. We wish you the very best in the new year.
Yeah, I read that. I think that was their last letter.
What date? Sorry, what
they
date
made it
was
clear.
that?
11 January. 11 January.
Oh, okay. So, Patagoras, you say that there is a problem with the legal team.
It's a technical issue with the legal team.
So,
but
please,
again, if Umi was really ready, if Umi was ready, right, Chairman, if Umi was ready, at the time Baba MOHBAD brought UCH,
exactly.
Umi would have gone with it. She causes delay too. They are all causing delay for.
Let's leave at this point.
But Papariano, as of last week, Papariano, as of last week, Baba came out. Baba came out and he has confirmed the fact that he is the person delaying the process.
Yes, he has said it.
No, this is a technical issue. It's not because it's not willing. It's not because it doesn't want.
Exactly. There's nothing he can do at this point without the lawyers.
But for now, we know. Wait now, Chairman. For now, we know there are two parties involved. Okay, one of the parties is the one delaying the process, and that is Baba MOHBAD.
That's not delay. That's not
established.
Delay.
That is delay.
No, that is a technical. It's not delay.
And he's delay. And wait now, that is delay. And
you
he accepted
agree
it.
that in issues like this or in any other matter, you cannot rule out force majeure or eventualities. You can't rule them out.
Tell me, what's the force majeure here? What are you talking about, Yama?
You understand? So what force majeure? I'm not, whatever you didn't plan for and unplanned or unforeseen circumstances that happen in the line of duty. Okay, you can't rule that out. That's why there are provisions for buffers to take care of these lacunas.
Chairman, you are just making an excuse. You are just making an excuse.
I am not making
Baba have more than 2 chambers. Baba have
those chambers are not responsible.
DNA
Baba have
chamber.
So
DNA
they need to be briefed. Those chambers must be briefed.
Nothing at the particular stage that we are now. There is nothing that a lawyer would do. It's doctors and hospitals.
What do you mean? They have to be briefed.
Do you have a problem in giving another 30 days to Aloba to sort himself? Do you have a problem with that?
30 days? Yes. So that Aloba will continue defaming.
You don't need to ask them, where were they when Wunmi was evading writ of summon? When MOHBAD was facing writ of summon?
There was no point. No. That was one of their mechanism of trying to portray her as in a bad light.
Stop moving.
She never evaded and she never said she will not honor any lawsuit.
This brings me to one of the paragraph in the point of law that was just the preliminary objection. You remember we filed a preliminary objection during the month of June. Okay, in the point of law that what legal rights does MOHBAD have to bring such case to court? You remember?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what was the response of the other team of MOHBAD? What was their response to that?
They resorted to settlement. No response.
I didn't ask you. Patagoras, what was their response to that?
They never made any response to that because they now know that there is a major issue and argument before them. That was when they now had to go back to the discussion table and settle for alternate dispute resolution.
I don't think that lawyer did well there. I think in the side of Wunmi, it's very easy. If the judge had already prepared a 23-page judgment, this is a very easier way for Wunmi to put record down to Nigeria. Wunmi had the choice to say, okay, we don't want to negotiate. Let it be on record that no grandfather in Nigerian history has the right to make such requests. For her to go towards negotiation, it means she's into it.
Good. Hold on, Papariano, I will agree with you on that. That is an opportunity for Omomi to make a statement there. Also, it is also an opportunity to allay the fears of the public that she's hiding something. She said, you know what? Instead
but not through a negotiation. Not through negotiation will pin her down, not through a negotiation.
Hold on. She was ready for anything as long as people like you will see the light. As long as people like you will see that Joseph Aloba has been lying all this while.
Why didn't she go for the UCH then? Why didn't she go for the UCH if she was ready for anything?
Because going for the UCH will amount to a breach of
but she can challenge it. Okay, see, it's very simple. St. Nicholas, if she can agree to St. Nicholas, agree to UCH, let St. Nicholas and UCH do the same thing, and let's see if the result will be different. It's simple.
They have asked that the judge has said it.
They have bought Lagos. What's in Lagos? They agree to St. Nicholas because they have bought Lagos.
Papariano, can I say something here? Pythagoras.
Papariano, can I say something?
Like I said the other time.
Chairman, please give me 1 minute. Chairman, please give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Chairman, please give me 1 minute. Thank you, sir. Papariano. Baba took Wunmi to court on DNA. Wunmi consented to the fact that she's ready to do DNA. St. Nicholas is one of the best hospitals in Lagos State. If not number one, is number two. What Fatago I just read now, I was expecting Wunmi lawyer to reply Baba in a choice to be added St. Nicholas as one of their options. But they refused.
Nicholas is there already.
No.
I think
they accepted. Rotimi, no. Rotimi.
No,
they accepted St. Nicholas. Wunmi accepted St. Nicholas, but rejected.
So let them go ahead. Let them go ahead.
Thank you very much. Yeah, exactly. Let them go ahead, St. Nicholas.
Go ahead.
No. Wait. Rotimi, look at the thing here. Okay, Wunmi want anything Lagos. Shall you saying? So
yes.
Because they know they can manipulate Lagos, they rejected UCH because it's outside Lagos and they have no control, and they are scared that MOHBAD is going to work towards achieving a negative result. Now, if they are intelligent enough, if they trust St. Nicholas so much, let UCH do whatsoever. Let St. Nicholas do whatsoever. At the end of the day, if the result is different, they're going to scrutinize. They're going to be a problem. And these people are going to be a problem. Simple.
Papariano.
Simple. But they have
I am advising Aloba now. Forget UCH now. Use St. Nicholas and use National Hospital Abuja and pay for this.
Simple.
And then review the process and then call for review.
No.
Whatever process, call for review.
Chairman.
All the samples that was taken, that process must be reviewed.
I don't know why we are creating bottleneck.
They just want problem.
Papariano, talk me this.
The agreement says it must be in Nigeria. It must be in Nigeria.
One in Lagos, one in Abuja. Cancel the UCH wants to be bringing problem. Delete the UCH out of the equation.
Jama, please hold on. Papariano, I will need to leave now. But before I go, let me give my closing remark here. See. An agreement has been reached.
And you can ask me any question. I don't know whether there's any question you want us, because me, I've asked my questions and I've seen that Wunmi is lacking there because she had every right after the preliminary objection was filed. If no particular legal grant was brought before the court, she has every right to proceed with the judgment of the court. Why go into negotiation? Right now, she's into a bottleneck. I don't care about whatever she says.
Hold on. Actually, Papariano, there's no bottleneck here.
Can I ask him a question real quick?
Hold on, Adedoyi. Once I make this remark, I can take one or two questions.
Thank you. One question. Yeah.
Yes. So there's been an agreement, a term of settlement, and other agreements agreed to in the open court, which the lawyer have brought out now to tell us part of those agreements. One of those agreements is Joseph Aloba saying Omowumi should surrender her rights not to sue him in case this when this DNA result comes out and it turns positive, which would have given us...
We don't have evidence for those things. We don't have those evidence, please. It's one-sided.
No, hold on.
You are quoting from one side. Please, that is not advisable. I mean, you're misleading. You're giving misinformation.
I'm pushing you back now.
Let's work with what is reference. Was that reference in the citizen? Was that reference in the citizen?
Papariano, hold on. Just give me a minute.
No, please, that is biased. Let's wait for the both parties to respond to that.
What I'm telling you is this.
Can you show me what you're saying right now from the citizen? If you can't show, please don't mention it. Let's discuss the things that are within the scope of the citizen that we can show as evidence.
You have the right to still believe whatever you want to believe, but I have come here.
It's not about I have the right. I mean, let's work with facts here.
What I've come here to let you and your team know is that
Baba can deny that. If Baba denies that, how do you penalize him? Evidence must be shown to him to remind him.
Joseph Aloba has been running away.
No, now you are just trying to qualify.
It will be wrong.
I won't let you do that. I won't let you do that.
Papariano, Baba has said that is the one laying the
somebody that has come to the public.
And that has been established.
That's your closing remarks.
Somebody came to the public and this is the reason why I haven't done XYZ. He made a statement that this is the lacuna that I have. This is the problem that I have right now that I'm going to fix. So is there anything wrong for us to just...
What does that tell you, Chairman? What does that tell you? It tells you that that particular party is the person that is delaying the process.
What are you not understanding?
He's not saying it's not now. Did he deny that? He's not denying that now.
Let's go on and blame.
Let's hammer on that, because that is where we are now. Let's hammer on that.
Why
are you delaying the process?
Where we are? Why did we refuse UCH?
We are at the point where Baba is the one delaying the DNA process. We demand that he do everything possible to get the DNA done.
Nicholas is credible.
We agree that the delay is as a result of technical issues.
Why denies St. Nicholas and UCH?
We agree the delay is due to technical issues. We agree. It's technical issues.
Baba is entitled to one hospital.
She denied
entitled to one hospital.
The delay is as a result of a technical issue.
What do you mean by technical issue?
Did the citizen mention one?
You understand?
What is the technical issue there?
So let's
that for over 3 months you are still trying to resolve the technical issue.
Baba is the head of the Aloba family. We must respect that.
We must
technical issue for over 3 months
with his legal representative. Okay,
for over 3 months, and you've been hammering the way to Brekete. You've been saying that you need DNA.
Baba is the head of the Aloba extended family. Some respect must be shown here.
Asa, relax.
Why is me like this? You guys should advise this lady. Come on. I think bless us for the people. Baba is old enough to have me as a child.
Are you proud the way he's leading his own family? What do you attribute him as the leader of the family?
Can I see your own family? Your own family compared to our family.
What element of merit will you attribute to him?
Your own family. Let me compare it to Bamaba family.
No. You are saying Baba is the leader of the family. What is the element of... What element will you say, okay, this is the merit of how
there can be problems in every family. There can be problems.
I need to ask you a question. I want you to answer me holistically.
No. I bet when you're talking about leader of a family, Papa MOHBAD is cannot even be attributed as one. Not a leader.
Top movie.
I'm gonna go to the kitchen. I'm gonna go back to kitchen.
Just one question. The question is this. When Baba Aloba had a problem with his lawyers, he came out and said, I have this problem, so it.
Baba did not have problem with his lawyer. The public.
Hold on now, listen first. Hold on, let me say. I want you to respond.
So put it straight.
He has problem with his lawyers.
Let the man finish.
No, the public.
Let the man finish.
Top movie. Whether the public or
Baba came to the public.
The fact remains that it's changing the lawyer.
In a publication and said,
changing process.
I have a problem with my lawyers. I'm in the verge of changing from one lawyer to the other. Just give me time and I'll get this thing done.
3 months has already gone. 3 good months, Chairman, has already gone down the line.
Now, did your client...
Are you being serious right now? 3 good months have gone down the line and you're saying they should give you more time?
Did your clients also came to the public and say, I am here, come and serve me with this summon. I am in so place.
There is a limit. Wait, what you should understand, there's a limit everybody can take. It has gotten to the limit and that's why she's coming out to say, this is the reason, Baba himself did not even come out.
You are not getting the point. Did Wumi say that when Baba was looking for Wumi with writ of someone? Did Wumi say, I am here, bring it to me here?
Okay, do you want to tell me that Papa Mohbad doesn't know who is engaging,
guys,
who is representing Wunmi as of that time?
Top movie, I beg.
When Papa Mohbad, what he normally do is just cook up something. I will come to the social media space and manipulate people that are audience to him. That's what he does.
Top movie.
I can assure you before the end of February, the DNA will be done.
They like to talk too much. Chairman, I beg, come.
Because you are with Baba Mohbad.
Top movie. You know how to be quiet for a minute. Thank you. Now, this is the situation on the DNA. Both parties are not serious.
African TV, you are not a party to the case. You don't have any opinion.
Wait?
What do you mean by what?
Can you wait? Why your mouth always dey run? Just wait. Bloody. Now, what I'm saying is both parties are not serious. Because if they were serious, DNA is a collection of sample. Has the MOHBAD team